It's so yummy. Look at that. Oh, wow. The corn soup. Woo. Super, super duper yummy. Oh, creamy. 100% corn. And this is like 6 sweet corn. So we have some corn here from the store because it was cheap, $3. $1 for 3 corn. So I have some more corn and we eat our lunch corn only for lunch. And now we're gonna make a corn soup. I'm gonna use this one because I'm lazy to get the machine. So let's start the work. So guys, it's easy. First, in the small area. Medyo masikip kasi ang aming kitchen kasi ang daming kalat. And I was outside doing some cooking. So, it's time to organize our kitchen. That's why I don't have a big space for the Salad Master machine right now. So I'm just using this easy one and lighter one because I'm too tired already. Di ba guys? Ang dali. Gagdaling mo lang. Maliit mo na. Ano siya maliit mo na? It's easy and the small one. Then when it's cut already, then put in a bigger one. So we got this corn yesterday. 3 corn, 3 pieces of corn for $1. So I got 12 pieces. Then this morning I cooked the 3 pieces and we ate it for our lunch. So that's only our lunch corn. And now I'm making this corn. I'm gonna make corn soup for the dinner. So corn day today for us. Para maiba naman. Ano ba? Ang linis oh. So before I use Salad Master, so it's in my YouTube video already guys. The old corn soup, so you can watch in there. But I think I'm still gonna upload this also. So yeah, making dinner for us. So corn day. 6 corn guys, done. Done gadgarin. Ito yung 6 corn na aking ginadgad. 3 by 3, 6. So, getting ready to cook now. To make sure that it's really clear, the corn. So I use the spoon to get some more corn ice. Sabi sa Tagalog may mata. So naiiwan kasi sa ilalim yung mata ng corn kaya gamitan natin ng kutsara para masaid, diba? Sayang kasi I don't wanna waste anything. And pag tagmahal ng corn, hindi kami bumibili pag mahal ang corn. Ngayon kasi may mura tag corn. Corn season kasi ngayon, nag-start na, so mura-mura na siya. Tapos may tanim din akong corn, kaya lang hindi pa siya pwedeng anihin. Yan. Ganyan ang ginagawa namin noon. Wala kaming gagaran kutsilyo lang, nung mga bata pa kami, kinukutsilyo lang namin yan. Tapos, eto nga, ganito, pagkakutsilyo, tatapyes-tapyesan ng ibabaw, tapos kukutsarain na, kagaya nito. Para said na said, walang matira. Sayang kasi, diba? Masarap kasi yun yung nakadikit sa sa corn comb. Ayan yun yung parang mata ng corn. And then, hahaluan ko siya ng shrimp. Or kung wala kayong shrimp, pwede rin ang tinapa na tulingan. Ang sarap pag tinapang tulingan. Wala kasi akong mabilhan ng tinapang tulingan. Wala akong makita sa Chinese store na binilhan namin ito. Matrabaho magawa ng corn soup guys. Kapag gusto nyo yung corn soup na talagang fresh. Meron din namang corn na bibili sa lata kaya lang hindi siya masarap. So kung gusto nyo masarap na corn soup, gagawin nyo ganito. Fresh talaga. Ano ba yung big ano? Tapos na yata lahat. Tapos na. Yan na. Chop ng onions. At lagay sa kaldero. Salad Master, miso, 4 quarts. So we're gonna put 2 cloves, big. It's a giant cloves of garlic. fresh frozen shrimp. 12 pieces. So I add 12 pieces and then we're gonna add this. To make it more delicious, we're gonna use a butter squash soup instead of water. We're gonna add a ginger. I think 2 inches of ginger. So I always include the skin because you know there's a minerals on skin of ginger. So you have to cut it tiny, very small pieces. Because you know we add shrimp on it, so medyo malangsa, kaya para hindi siya masyadong malangsa. And before we forget, of course, we're gonna add a lemongrass on it. After I chop this. After I finish chop the ginger, put in there, and then what is it? The lemongrass. Para smells so nice. So ganyan lang siya. Hold it and tied it up. And then put in there. There's my black pepper. Black pepper, guys. We have a lot of tomatoes from our garden. We're gonna add some tomatoes also to have lycopene on our corn. And this is cilantro. We're gonna add this when it's cooked already. So this tomatoes is from my garden, guys. Super hinog na, super ripe. Oh, tingnan natin niya. Then just add it. And now, where's the lid? Let's have to find the lid. So close the lid and then put on your... We're gonna put on number 5 medium heat to cook our corn soup here. So guys, so it's here. So tambak-tambak system on Salad Master Cookware, cooking the corn soup. Chop the cilantro in 10 slices. Corn soup is cooked, so let's add the cilantro. And then let's turn it out. And there you go. And you can add also eggs on it. Can add 2 eggs. If you don't like eggs, guys, it's fine, but since we like eggs, so we're gonna add 2 eggs. There you go. It's all organic eggs, free-range eggs. So so that's how you're gonna add eggs when it's cooked already, and also the cilantro. I turned it off already, guys. I didn't expect it's gonna be so many. So we're gonna have a corn soup until tomorrow. So this is only our dinner, complete meal. The corn soup, you have protein, you have the vegetables. Looks so yummy. Let's try it, guys. Now the eggs is mixed up already. The Salad Master, guys, even you turn it off, is still cooking. So when it's start boiling, I turn it to low heat. Number 2 only on the top stove. So let's try it. Try kung anong lasa ng ating corn soup. Oh my god, it's sweet. Oh my god, it's so yummy. Wow, I feel like I'm eating dessert. Because of the butter squash. Butter squash soap is really sweet stuff. And yeah, so good for the eyes. Butter squash soap and the lycopene prawn tomatoes. So bon appetit. Let's eat, guys. Wow, look at that. Oh, yummy, yummy. Here you go, my corn soup with shrimp. Let's eat, guys. It's so yummy. Oh, the corn soup with shrimp, cilantro, and lemongrass. It's so good. Oh, yummy, yummy. Creamy and tender, and it's really good. And it tastes sweet because of the butter squash soup. I use the butter squash soup, so it's so good. It becomes sweet, the taste. Even the sweet corn, of course, it's a little bit sweet, plus the butter squash. Ang sarap. For sure, I'm gonna eat 2 bowls.